on my lane, you all on my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a C-note. Switching, keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, Bistro family? Now today we're about to make the most amazing fruit salad. So the first thing you'll do is get you a watermelon or any fruit of your preference, but I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm using. So I'm using a watermelon, and granted these are seedless watermelons, so you're gonna have the little blanks in there. If you can, preferably I prefer you get a seeded watermelon, but you know how times are, you can find more seedless watermelons than seeded, especially when they're not in season, so bear with me on that. So we got a seedless watermelon, and you're going to cut this in dices however you want to, but always remember the biggest thing in this bowl is going to be the grapes. So I want to cut down each piece of fruit and make it resemble the size of the grape, so everything is going to be like uniform and pretty much the same size. So that's the dices I'm getting there. All right, from that watermelon we're going on to some honeydew melon. Now honeydew melon, you're gonna see me do something a little bit different, and I do the same thing with honeydew and cantaloupe. It's anything with the melon family, because as we cut the outer off of the melon, the flesh under the skin tends to be very tough and not flavorful at all. So you see I cut all the outer off of the flesh, kind of like how I do a pineapple as well, and I'm cutting it into equal parts, but then you see me taking that back part off. Like I said, it's really tough and not flavorful at all, so I always cut that part off until I get to the flesh part that actually tastes very good. Now you could keep that and use it for juices or whatever, but I just feel like for a fruit salad I'm not going to eat that, so I always just put it aside. All right, my pineapple, you see me cut pineapple plenty of times, so I didn't show you that, but I'm cutting it the exact same way. And with the kiwis, we got a golden kiwi and then we have a green kiwi, and I'm just trimming the outside. Now you could use a peeler, it'll be a lot easier, but since I already had my knife out and I was cutting everything this way, I decided to cut the kiwis that way as well. And for the kiwis, I'm just going for slices, and then when we get to the back part where I can no longer slice, I'm actually going to dice those, and we're going to put that with the diced fruit. All right, so we got all our fruit prep. Like I said, you didn't see me do the pineapple, but you see me do that in plenty of videos. And how we did it, we did honeydew at the bottom, pineapple, then we put our watermelon. All right, from that watermelon, we're going to put a little bit more honeydew. That honeydew, as you get closer to the seeds, begin to get really sweet, so that's really good stuff. And then we put our kiwi on top, and then our grapes going in. All right, from the grapes we got some blackberries. You know, if you like blueberries, you can use blueberries as well, but I'm using blackberries. And then from the blackberries we're going on with our slices of kiwi. Doesn't that look very beautiful? It's good summer salad, fruit salad. And then we're going on with some natural organic honey, and we're just sprinkling that on. You can leave that off, but my fruit wasn't as sweet as it should have been. All right, from the honey, we actually putting on some lime zest. And from the lime zest, we're going on with some fresh lime juice. All right. And then from that, we're going on with some chia seeds. And there you have it, man, the most amazing fruit salad. Sorry about my dog barking, but I mean, you want that real uncut video, and that's what you got. But yeah, we got the most amazing fruit salad. We got our chia seeds, our honey, and that is a lime honey drizzle. I make that for all my caterings. I always put the lime honey drizzle on there with the lime zest. But yeah, man, lime juice, lime zest, this thing is amazing. So you got the tartness, the sweetness, you got everything in one. This is just an amazing fruit salad. You can use any fruit that you want to use. Like I said, you can use some bananas in there. Just make sure you put them on top and eat those guys first so they don't turn black on you. But yeah, there you have it, man, the most amazing fruit salad. No stove was involved in this recipe. The most amazing fruit salad from the Bistro, vegetarian, by the way. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Fruit salad from the Bistro. I'm out.